Hello, my name is Mustapha. I come from Switzerland to Bulgaria to NuriDent to implant my new teeth. So I'm gonna tell you about my experience. I'm gonna start from the last January. Last January, I have my normal teeth. They start moving because I had the infection in my mouth. So when I went to the dentist, they said we have to take off your front four teeth. We had to take them off because we cannot save them. So I took them off and I started researching where can I do my implants. So I was checking about a couple of countries like Turkey and Hungary, Budapest, because Budapest and Istanbul, they are famous about implant and low price. So I started doing my research. I had my friend, he advised me NURIDENT in Sofia in Bulgaria. And I saw the way they did the job. So I was convinced that this is the best way of doing good implant. So I called them and they asked me to wait 3 months till because they cannot do implant before 3 months since when I took off my teeth. So I booked with them. They assist me to book a hotel and to book. They have a driver. He come to the airport to pick you up from the airport, and they gave me appointment. And they said 1 week is enough to do the implant. So I booked that week, and I went to the airport from Geneva to Sofia, and they had the driver was waiting for me, and he took me to the hotel. I was arrived there on Saturday. Then Monday morning, the driver he come from the hotel. He took me to the clinic, and the first day they did most of the job. So they did like 3D radio, and the doctor had put there is no need to open or something. So they drill and they put this kind of BasalFix implant. So it's not like a classical implant, but it doesn't need like a surgery or something. It's just they open and they put some anesthesia to don't feel bad, and then just the implant, and they put this kind of fixation. And after 2 hours, you don't feel nothing. So the implant was good, and then they take what type of teeth and the color to put it. So they send to the laboratory. Then after 2 days, it's ready. So for me, it was like 4 days, it was everything perfect. But they prefer 1 week just to avoid in case there is some complication cases. So 1 week, and in one go, you have everything done. So the result, I'm so happy about the result. And my smile is coming back. I can feel like I can't smile like before. And really, it was a good experience. And I want to mention that Dr. Nori and his team were so friendly, so welcome, and so helpful, and they really do the good job. I will advise everybody to have this experience if they need to implant them teeth.